Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. So in the last video update, the idea was that we might go a little bit lower to complete this internal third wave here with one more low. That one more low actually happened. And yeah, this happened after the last video, right? So we talked about this microstructure here. We put it together, yeah? We put it together. This microstructure of this decline here. And I only want to talk about the microstructure here because I cover the bigger picture a lot. And we will for sure do that tomorrow again. So if you're here for the bigger picture, I mean, either check out the previous videos or just stay tuned, subscribe. First of all, it helps out the channel, and also you will be able to get the larger time frame view tomorrow again. Also, make sure you hit the like button if you appreciate the daily analysis here on this channel. It does help the channel a lot. Thanks so much. Now, we are starting to move a little bit here towards this resistance area. It's entirely possible we're now here in this internal fourth wave. And I already mentioned in one of the member updates earlier today that, well, we might see some consolidation over the weekend, yeah? Bit of sideways chop, which might mean that we test the resistance area, which is still defined between $96,764 and $99,644. This is measured based on the distance of the decline here, just so that we have a resistance area to watch. And yeah, again, we might be testing it. My take is, and let me just double check something briefly here. Yeah, I'd say if we break above the swing high that formed here in wave 4, we break above this swing high at $97,380. I would interpret the move as circle wave 4 already. So one larger degree, yeah? And this one larger degree has this resistance area basically, right? So as I said, 96,764 to 99,644. It's also interesting that the price reached the next micro target zone here, these fib levels, these micro fibs. But I mean, this is definitely nothing clearly bullish yet. This seems to be only a three-wave move up. And as you can see, we're still printing lower lows for now, as well as lower highs. So if we are in this micro fourth wave here, then we should see some further downside, possibly quite short. I mean, rather sooner than later, I would say. But if we see something like this, like a larger A, B, C, yeah, maybe over the weekend, I think it will become more likely that we are already working on circle wave 4. And yeah, I mean, only really if we get a break above this lower resistance at 99,644. Let me go up here. We get some clarity that we are already in the larger degree wave 4. Yeah, so I still follow the orange count primarily until resistances break, basically. Yeah, because the market can turn around at any point. We've now reached an important micro pivot, but overall, it is very much possible that we will aim for the area around 91K, where we have the golden ratio level for at least one more low. Not too much more going on, just want to give you a quick update now that the weekend is starting. I hope you have a great weekend. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then yeah, check out the MCO membership. Maybe you want to become part of the MCO community. You can find a small video here, a short video on our channel page that explains everything. By the way, don't forget that on Sunday we run a public live stream, but as a member you also get access to our Sunday member live streams. You also get access to a lot of additional member updates, like for example Sui, Zcash was updated today, Aster was covered a couple of days ago, Sui again, Uniswap, and so on. So check it out. And as a gold member, you get access to our Discord server for a lot of additional updates, live charts, and so much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.